Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at the trade desk. A funny coincidence there. And yeah, on the large time frame I am considering this whole movement as a wave 1 up. I could realistically even consider that the wave 1 topped here, and maybe then we had another 1-2 setup in a leading diagonal of some sorts, or for a larger diagonal pattern overall, especially looking at the structure of this wave 1. Not the cleanest movement to the upside, but it is a 5-wave move that I can count, and it is decently reliable, especially on this large time frame. But now we are overall looking at this area where we had this V correction, this V movement to the upside, really not necessarily a correction actually. And we are debating whether this wave 2 bottomed here, or if we are still heading lower in the wave 2, because looking at the chart you can see that we didn't even reach the support zone. It starts at around $29 for this wave 2 and it ends at $5.40. So for now we can look at the shorter time frame, and I can tell you that I can even count this as an impulse to the downside in an A wave. So I will add that to the chart, and I will warn you, it is quite possible that we head directly lower in this case, and a resistance zone for a B wave would be between $67.7 up to around $109.6. We got so far to the 61.8% retracement, reacted to it quite strongly, and yet it so happens that some news popped up and yeah, triggered quite a sell-off in the pre-market from around the $90 area. Now the thing is, looking here at the even shorter time frame, I can actually count this as a 5-wave move up in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a leading diagonal, but still it could easily be seen as a 5-wave move up. Looking at the RSI, we can even see a divergence in this area between the 3rd and the 5th wave, as we usually expect. And for that I actually provided here a support zone for a wave 2 between $68.7 down to around $50.6. So now I will actually even add two scenarios onto the chart here, and firstly I will mark this as the yellow scenario, where we are expecting direct upside from here in a 3rd wave after we complete a correction in wave 2. Then we have a white scenario in which we could extend this B wave to the upside, because now it could be counted as a 5-wave move. To be honest, it could also be seen just as an ABC, and the correction is done and we are heading lower into the support zone. But keep in mind, there is a chance, and the risk-reward ratio is quite decent from the support zone, and we are already at the 61.8% retracement level in the pre-market. And yeah, there is quite a risk. Such a flush to the downside is usually not a good sign, although it is more common in diagonals such as this one. But there is the chance. So for now we can expect to go back higher, and for now those are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.